It was open on one.
Yeah.
Alright, we got an old freight elevator here. Somebody left it open, so we have to send Jolie down. And do the honors. Those things are a little difficult to close properly, aren't they?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll send you down to LA. Alright, and then back to you. There you go. Car 3 is what this is.
Yep. Is there a car 4 here?
I don't think so.
No, there's only 3 freights. If anything's car 4, it's the Dover.
Okay. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean basically the same as the other ones.
Yeah. But I mean, it's an original black button, so.
Yep.
You want to end on you, or?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's where we came in. Yeah, these guys might get uploaded as a triple feature on my end. 3 separate videos, same day, same time.
All right.
And I think the previous user will close the door.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.